From technology to politics to humanity's future, Yuval Noah Harari's 21 Lessons for the 21st Century is a must read for anyone looking to make sense of our fast changing world. It's packed with thought provoking ideas and real world insights. Unlike his other books, which focus on the past and future, this one is all about the present. Harari explores the challenges we face today, like artificial intelligence replacing jobs, fake news influencing our decisions, and climate change threatening the planet. One of the most striking lessons is about the rise of automation. Harari questioned how we will adopt as machines take over more tasks. He also dives into the importance of critical thinking, reminding us to question what we hear in a world flooded with information. The book also reflects on what it means to be human in these turbulent times. Harari asks big questions like how do we find meaning in a world where old beliefs are fading? And how do we maintain our freedom as technology becomes more intrusive? What I love about this book is how it makes you think about your role in shaping the future. Harari doesn't offer easy answers, but he does give us the tools to reflect and act with more awareness. If you want a book that challenges your perspective and prepares you for the 21st century, 21 Lessons for the 21st Century is a must read. You can check out the link in the description to grab your copy, or you can even listen to it for free on Amazon Audible trial. Have you read this book? Which lesson stood out to you the most? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and here is a better understanding of our world.